Alright, gang, I'm taking a sell right here. Alright, gang, I'm taking a sell right here. Just took a sell. Sorry for the quick start, and my cam's not up yet, but give me a sec. I'll get everything up and running. I'll let you know when I take another sell. Looks at the sniffles. Yeah, it's freezing in my house. Give me a sec. Yeah, let's see if this camera works. Kind of ran to the PC. I saw this setting up. I was like, damn it. I need to get to the PC right now. I don't have Zoom running yet. Give me a second. Let this play out, and then we'll start Zoom. Okay, I'm gonna close full right there. Just closed full. Congrats everybody. 20 pips on the dot. Just closed full. I'm gonna wait for this 30 to close here. Okay, there's a chance it pulls back because there's a little minor support here. Oh, I think it just did. Yeah, pull back a little, not too far. Oh. There's a minor support here at these areas. Well, resistance though is a support. We're tapping into the wicks here. We've seen a rejection one way. We can see a rejection the other way, but 20 pips secured to start off the stream. Congratulations. Give me a second. Let me update the record. We'll have another position here on the 30 closure, and then we'll probably take it again on the 1 hour. But we'll have to map it out here. Anyway, congrats on the 20 pips here. I guess the early bird got the worm. Yeah, we'll get a 30 closure here and we'll do it again. Oh, didn't expect that. I expected a pullback to re-break the highs, get a steeper top wick, but it's okay. All good. Wow, filled the whole wick. Honestly, I was expecting after the 15 flip and we've come to these wicks here. I'm sorry, these wicks right here. Into this area. I was expecting a reflip and a re-break of the high to roughly these areas. So we could have taken that again. But it filled the whole wick on the 15. It might reflip now. But at this point, we don't want to reflip. If we want to take this off the 30 again, we just want this to continue driving further. We don't want to retest the same areas for an entry. We want to keep going. We could retest those areas later on. We don't want to retest stuff right now. I'm going to leave this range and then come back into this range and do that again. Got my MT5 data around $12 monthly. Yep. Also, with that data I bought, MT5, does it work on TradingView? No. You have to buy. I pay for two separate datas, even though I trade on MT5. I pay for data here on TradingView, so just for the sake of streaming, so we can all be on the same page. But I think $12 I pay for this, for TradingView, and $4 for MT5, or vice versa, or vice versa. I don't remember. But one is like $12, the other one's like $4. Zoom door? There is no Zoom. I don't have Zoom started. I gotta create it. I'm sorry. I don't know how you can be at the door though. Give me a sec. Woke up late. I don't have to take my kids to school, and like because of that, like I don't have to pay attention to my to my alarm. And because of that, I woke up late. Okay, here we go. I'm starting the Zoom right now. Wow. Pushing it. Interesting. Wow. Would we have been taken out? Did it ever come back to our entry? No, it didn't. We got close here. Yeah, got close. Not really. Back to our entry. Yeah, entry 22.5. Yeah. What up, Jay? I see you. Let me just post the links. Toby, Wish9, Bougie. I see you guys. Raj. Hello, trader. Sent you an email last night. Okay, the Zoom's up. Don't forget to make chat for subs only, Wix, and change lot size. Okay, I changed my lot size and I did make it sub only. Can you guys double check if chat is sub only? It is, right? Yeah. Well, congrats. W here. Let's open up the stream. Great start to the morning. I didn't even get a chance to do a breakdown, just kind of cold trading here. Cold traded that. Zoom link on YouTube. I posted that too. Bro, come on. It's too early for this. All right, one time. One time. Just once. Go. Let's go. Come on. Bring it in. Bring it in. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Benny? Let's go. You want to bring it in or no? Or you want to go? Oh, God. You're such a mush. I turn around towards the computer and he turns me back around with his paw. All right, come on. Give me a hug. Let's go. Good boy. No, come on. One hug, and that's it. Hey. Hello. Right here. Alright, go ahead. Go ahead. Get off me. He's not letting me go. I'm like, get off me. He's not letting me go. He's just like laying down in my lap. Yo, look at this fucking neck. Look at your neck, bro. He's covering his eyes and he just wants to lay down. Get off me, bro. He doesn't want to leave. Look, get off. Bro. He's literally like a little baby. He's pressed into me with his paws. And I'm pushing him and he don't want to move. Bro, you gotta go. Let's, bro, get your you're like a little baby, bro. Go, get off me. Let him sleep. He's heavy. It's 110 pounds on me. He just want to be loved. Yeah, he laid down. He's cute as hell, though. I can't mess with him. I rode all the way back up here. So the 30, do we have news today? Okay, people at the Zoom door, come on in. We don't have any red folders today. There's a whole lot of you. Damn. Amazing. Shoot, this is right back at the same spot where we just were on the 15. Hourly look like. Yeah, I'm gonna take a sell right here. Just took a sell. Might see some drawdowns were coming up here, but took that sell off the 30. I think we have to make a bottom wick here on the 30. I mean, that was a great closure for us. Got range to fill, closed below, not at a level. It tried to flip here and it didn't. So maybe a steeper top wick. We'll see. We shall see. Taking a sell right there. Just took a sell as we tapped that white line. Wow, off to 30. It's not expecting a 1 hour flip. But we have a lot of range here on the 30 to the downside. And no bottom wick. Closing full right there, just closed full for a combined total of 31 pips. W. 31 pips here. And we'll wait on the hourly to know. Flip here on the 30 and do its thing. W. W. Do you guys understand where we closed? No? You guys got to lock in on these areas. See this wick? You guys have to start locking in on possible areas where the market might reject. I know some of you may already positions, but you can't ignore this. You can't ignore these levels. You can't ignore this. Once the market gets back to these areas, you got to look to manage risk. That's what we did at this first area at 30.22. Because there's a chance it pulls up heavy right off these wicks, and this is what it just did off that wick. I don't even think it flipped. Let's go to the 1. Yep, look at that. The 1 just wicked into it. It doesn't mean it can't come down. It just means highly likely to see a reaction there. I was hoping we'd get that reaction there to come down, but instead we broke it all the way up to the next resistance. We took us out, and then when it came back down, back to this area, because it didn't react to the downside here. When it got here, it blew right through it. Once it comes back down to that area, it might react to the upside. Just like it did here, right? It blew past it here, and then it reacted. So, very key here. Uh-oh. What's up? Oh, he was upside down, letting you, wow, letting you pet his belly? Nice. That's nice. That's so cool.
It's because the teeth were itchy.
His teeth were itchy? Did you scratch him? You scratched his teeth? You can get that little towel that I have over there when he's drooling, and you can take that and scratch his teeth with it. Okay. I mean, at this point, we're going to wait on the hourly here regardless. Yellow folder, FOMC, speaker. As long as it's not schnit, we good. As long as there's no schnit show. No. Kugler, we good. Can you change the music? Gotcha. Hold on. Oh, I was saying this is like Shrek. I was like blue flowers, red thorns. Blue flowers, red thorns. This would be so much easier if I wasn't colorblind. Same thing here. It'd be so much easier to identify these folders if we weren't colorblind. Blue flowers, red thorns. Blue flowers, red thorns. What's up?
Were you trying to get something from the cabinet?
No. Oh, you mean over here where the bread is?
Mm-hmm.
No, I think that was Mom last night. I didn't take anything out of the pantry. That was Mom last night.
No, not the pantry.
Oh, but next to it, right, where the bread is? Yeah. I didn't take anything out of there. I swear, don't punish me.
I will show you the the cabinet.
You're gonna show me the cabinet? No, I believe you. It's open. I know it's open. I saw it open.
And then I closed.
Good job. High five. Down low. Too slow. Haha.
I want to do it again.
You want to do it again? Oh, you got me. Close the door. All right, chat. It's 8:42. It's 8:42. Wix 9 has guided both your trades to blue. And now you ain't got nothing to do till this hourly candle is through. All right. Dabadi dabadu. Are you blue? The poet. Oh, I know it. Oh, wait. Are we echoing? No, we're not echoing. This song just sucks. All right, gang. Give me a minute. I'm going to step out, do the damn thing. Oh, you know what we haven't done? We haven't done an intro. So, maybe it's intro time. Oh, man, I need more light. There we go. Yeah, chat, if you want to understand our breakdown, or if you want to know how we did that, why we did that, why we closed where we did, why we opened where we did, how come we didn't get burned when a lot of the industry does get burned in these situations, the wait list is open now, right? The wait list for the inner circle is open now, right? So sign up for the wait list, get in line, and we'll reach out to you when spots are open for the inner circle. All right, let's do it. I think the hourly is going to flip here. Let's check on the hourly. Yep, the hourly just flipped bullish. Doesn't mean it's driving up, just flipped. We have 15 minutes for the closure. Give me a second to do the damn thing, and let's get introduced. Let's get introed. This is a story about life, about struggle, about success. Not just mine, but yours too. Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day. Time, energy, choices. That's life. That's trading. I wasn't always here. I wasn't always the guy you see on your screen. I started out just like most people. Uncertain, broke, doubting the system, doubting myself. But one thing kept me going. The belief that life's biggest opportunities aren't given. They're taken. And I took mine. See, trading isn't just about charts,
candles or currencies. It's about discipline, patience, and the courage to bet on yourself. It's about understanding that every loss is a lesson and every win is a stepping stone. It's about the grind, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, and that voice in your head telling you to keep going when the rest of the world says stop. But let me tell you something. This journey didn't start with success. It started with failure. More failures than I can count. I remember sitting in front of my screen, watching the markets eat me alive, thinking maybe this isn't for me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't about the markets. It was about me. My mindset, my choices, my willingness to adapt, to learn, and to grow. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. It forces you to face your fears, your doubts, and your limits. But it also shows you your potential if you're brave enough to see it. I'm here now because I refuse to quit, because I learned to see every loss as a stepping stone, every setback as a setup for a comeback, and if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Success isn't about getting it right all the time. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. This isn't just a stream. This is a movement. A space where we don't just talk about markets. We talk about life, about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just as a trader, but as a person. Because the truth is, the charts don't care about you, but this community does. I do. And together, we're gonna rise. So, take a deep breath, clear your mind, and get ready. This is where traders are made. This is where dreams are built. And this is where your story begins. Let's go.
Honestly, yeah, I wouldn't be here if I quit. If I quit smoking weed, I would not be here in the backyard right now lighting up this J, right? And you don't have to be perfect with your rolls. You could just, you just got to be persistent. And if you keep trying and practicing and pushing, you might roll the perfect joint eventually. And you wouldn't have been there if you quit, right? And now I'm enjoying this perfect joint because if I quit, there's no way I'd be able to drown my sorrow in this J. And it's just that's all I'm trying to tell you is like if you just don't quit, I mean you could be smoking more weed than me. You know what? Let me talk to the young ones. I'm coming back. If you got kids, bring them in front of the TV right now. Yeah, if you got kids, line them up. Let's go. We're gonna have a talk. All right, kids, hold on. I'm gonna call Michael Jackson. Michael, we got kids in the build. No, just kidding. Yeah, I got Mike and Jeffrey chilling here. Okay, put the kids in front of the TV. I got Michael Jackson and Jeffrey Epstein over here. All right, kids. I don't know which parent called you to show up in front of the TV, but whichever parent did that, that's the parent you gotta trust. The the one that just put you in front of the screen, that's the one that's gonna take care of you. The one that's not there and has no idea that you're in front of the screen, don't trust them. Don't trust them. Don't trust the imposter. Don't trust them. Imposters. The parent that's looking out for you right now, that's the one you got to trust for the rest of your life. That's the one who's going to look out for you. Told you to bring your kids in front of the TV. I got you. I got you. Mike, you got something to say? He said no. He just moonwalked his ass out of here. Looks. What happened to the own boat? Why did he do that? What? I don't know, bro. I don't even know what that means. What'd he do? Word. Oh, Green doing golfing today? Probably. Rich people sport. W. I mean, if you hit the ball 200 yards away and then you fucking found it, I don't know why you would hit it again. I'd be like, all right, we won. We got the ball back. We got to hit it down the field and found it. You're literally a winner. Like, I could drop my keys 20 feet away. I won't find them for the next 24 hours. You hit the ball 200 yards and you found it, bro, day's over. You're a winner. That's a hole in one. I don't know. I don't know why I even keep going after that. You know what he did. You know. Like, why he's beating around the bush? Light it on fire. Let's go. Firebush W. Yeah. Coffee got you going this morning. You know what faded out really quickly? Those 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 Apple glasses or those Google glasses. What was that? Was that Apple? The big fucking glasses that everybody was walking around in for like a month and then it all faded out. Where did that go? It was like the VR, yeah, it was like everyone was buying the shit for like a good week and then everybody forgot about it. Apple Vision, yeah. Yeah. You know what? That's not as bad as people walking around talking to their Apple Watch. What the fuck you doing, you fucking Power Ranger? What are you doing walking around talking to your watch? It's morphin' time. Stop that shit. Wix, does your son trade? How do you know I have a... He doesn't have a... Okay. Um... So, for the sake of transparency, I think I might have mentioned, yeah, I might have mentioned it on like a private stream. I have a 21-year-old stepson, yeah. He's 21, but he already grew up and he's in college. So, yeah, he's chilling. He's chilling. He's good. You guys never see him. You guys never see him because he dorms. So, like, yeah, technically there's four kids. There's the oldest and then there's three girls that live with me. But he hasn't lived with us in like 3 years because he's dormant in college. And Benny. If you wanted to be a trader, would you teach him? You know what? When I was learning in 2018, and he was still under the roof here, I paid for him to learn, right? I said, you learn, you pick up whoever you want to pick up from, right? Not we, information. And I'll pay for it. And he found people that he wanted to learn from. I paid for it, and he just didn't, that wasn't his thing. But yeah, I do have a 21-year-old. That's so crazy. Some of yous are younger than 21 or like his age, right? I used to carry him on my shoulders. Now he's taller than me. We used to go to the basketball court, and because he was too little, he couldn't play, right? He'd just watch me play. But now if we go to the courts, I'll probably be the one sitting. Yeah, some of yous are young enough to be my kids. That's for sure.
Yo, Wicks,
Yo,
like my daughter just turned 22. She's a senior year at Michigan State, so I get it.
yeah,
Every time I go up there, all I can think of is I was just up here not that long ago.
yeah.
Seems like it anyway.
No, I love seeing him. We chill. We get to hang out. He's my gym buddy and shit. Like whenever he's down, he's the only person I go to the gym with. Whenever he's here for like vacation. Other than
It's
that,
cool to see them
I go on my
as
own.
young adults.
Yeah, it's cool though. It's cool. Yeah, you guys only know the other girls because they're the ones that live with me now. It sucks having kids move out of the house though. Like, it's cool, but it sucks. All right, 10 seconds, 4-hour closure. Ain't shit happening. Very indecisive 4 hour. So locked in or not, I'm not taking anything here right now. Although we did tap the bottom of range 2. Hold on, let's see how we open up here. Oh, no. Let me remark this up. This is an interesting opening. Yeah, no, we need to get above here. And overall, I think we want to be above here.
Hey, Wicks, I can barely hear you anymore.
Sorry. I'm
Hey.
I'm talking things out. I'm trying to see if it makes sense.
Yo, Spaceman Sam, I was in Cleveland for the game, baby. I think I wasn't.
They won.
I'm going down to Atlanta, more than likely.
You're in Atlanta, aren't you?
No, I'm in Detroit.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Atlanta,
I just go down there
Detroit,
now.
potato. Same thing.
I was down there a couple weeks ago.
No, someone else here is in Atlanta. I forgot who. Oh, Husky. Husky's in Atlanta. Atlanta Premier Catering. That's what it was. I was thinking about the bottom wick entry here. I just don't trust this leg candle because we could flip bullish and come right back down off this level here. And I don't want to do that, so I wanted a stronger closure up. Whoa. Come on, the band over here trying to get loud. You guys are background. Gotta talk to my sound guy. AKA me. Can't hear my snare. Gators taking it all the way. They looked a little shaky against Connecticut. They looked a little shaky against UConn.
I have not seen Florida play yet during the tournament. Just haven't caught
They're good, but they looked shaky in their last game. And there were teams that looked really good. Ole Miss looks really good. Duke looked really good. A few teams, man. Purdue looked really good. So it's not a clear-cut path for Florida. Florida's a good team, but they looked a bit shaky. You work in bridge water? What is that, like under the bridge water type thing? You in the mob? I work in bridge water, aka I dump bodies for the mob into the Hudson. Why does Bridgewater sound so familiar? Is that like a city next to me? Where's Bridgewater? Georgia coming for everyone? Georgia ain't going nowhere. That's a lazy ass state. You guys could have been in Florida and decided, nah, fuck it. Oh, you're a lazy state. Bridgeport's in Connecticut. But you know, he said Bridgewater, not Bridgeport. But like Georgians are like lazy as hell. Think about it. The whole country gets here and make it through to Florida. You guys are like a boundary away, and you're like, nah, we've close enough. We'll settle here. Close enough. Oh, a hedge fund company. Sorry, I didn't know what that was. Got a root for my fam. I ain't even from there. That's crazy. Buddy reduced his circle real quick. Yeah, Georgia. I'm not even from there. I'm just... Yeah. I think Tallahassee's like the real Florida, and then anything south of like Tampa or south of Odessa. Excuse me, I keep sneezing. Anything south of Odessa is more northeast than any other part of Florida. Like south of Odessa, or of Melbourne, you're going back. It's like going back up north. Said, your cousin from Boston. Seen that commercial? I was watching the Geico commercial yesterday. That shit was so funny. Can switching to Geico really save you 15% or more on car insurance? Did the little piggy scream wee, wee, wee all the way home? And then they show the pig going wee, wee, wee. As he's driving in a minivan. Wee, wee. They pull up. She's like, Max, Max, you're home. He's like, oh. This shit was so funny. Yo, Geico makes the best commercials. Hey, do me a favor, close that door. Close the office door. Thank you.
Hungry.
You're hungry? I'm Wix. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, hungry.
You're not Wix, you're Dada.
What?
Yeah, Papa.
I'm Papa. I'm not Wix.
Yeah, you're
Oh.
not Wix.
I'm Wix to other people. To you, I'm Papa.
I'm hungry.
And I'm Wix. Nice to meet you. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
I don't know. Let me think about.
Yeah, think about it. Let me know. Can you take your time thinking about it? Go watch a full cartoon. If you can, you know what's really good? A really good kids movie? Go turn on the Titanic. It's a very short movie. And when it's done, like, come back to me, okay? Okay? Yeah, it's a pretty short movie, so, you know, think. All right, chat. We got 3.5 hours. Oh shit, yeah, the car scene. Yo! Are they on spring break? Yeah, she's going to a pool party in about 20 minutes. Why are we frozen, Gold? Got 47 minutes here for the 4 hour, but if we continue up here, man, we got NYC open here in 15 minutes. It's gonna get interesting. Alright, gang. I know you guys see these wicks, right? It's gonna get a little tough when it comes to impulse entries and wicks like this, so be careful because you need to clear the wicks to drive through the body or have a really steep wick to fill, right? So what happens is, okay, the wick we'd want to be past here is this for this clean range. We don't want to be past this wick and bump into this, and we don't want to be past this area. Bless me, thank me, I'm welcome. Right, we don't want to be past that area and bump into this or this. Damn, we don't want to be bumping into this after that. So this is the clean range. That's where those wick entries will come in handy, not as I break them here. Oh, that's where those impulse entries will come in handy. You want to identify clean range. So as we start breaking up here, I'd want closures and I'd want to be past the wicks. Yeah, gang. Honestly, I had to pee so bad at night, and I was so lazy to wake up. I didn't want to get up out of bed, and then in the morning when I woke up, I was sweating buckets. I was just sweat. Was I sweating because I had to pee or because it's no, I didn't wet the bed. No, it was just like I was like woke up sweaty. I'm like, damn, is it seeping through my pores? Or was it because of all the work I had to put in to not go to the bathroom? But then when I woke up, I peed like a racehorse. Yeah, I was there. I was like, stream starting. Like, how long we gonna do this, bro? How long we gonna be here? Noodles? No, we're not having noodles for breakfast. What do you mean there's no food in the fridge? There's no food that's made for you in the fridge. It has to be made. It's not made? Alright, tell me what you want. I'm not making you noodles for breakfast. We're gonna have good breakfast. Benny, that's disgusting. Ew. Hold on, Chad. He drooled on me. You want noodles? Ooh, Benny, you're a monster. This guy, look at him. His paw is the size of my face. Look at that. This guy. Get away. Get away. Go, bro. Can you go make her some food? Be useful. Noodles is the breakfast of a lot of people. Yeah, in cell block D. If your ass is in jail, then yeah. But if you're not in jail, there's absolutely no reason for you to have noodles for breakfast. Hold on, let me get him. All right, I got you. Come here, Giggles. What was that? You are Giggles. No, hold on. I'll make you something. Just gotta wait. All right, give it a sec. You guys are too much at 8 a.m., you know that? I'm about to take you to school. Huh? School. Get dressed, we're going to school. Yeah, get dressed. What do you mean there's no school today? There's about to be school today. Pick that up, please. The towel. What? What about upstairs? If you go upstairs, there's the towels there. All right, it's making. Give it a minute, all right? Stop. Let me close this. Yeah, there's mosquitoes flying in. You're too much. Not too much? Alright, give me a minute. Not too much. Let's see if we can push here for NYC.
Good morning, Wix. How are you?
What's up, man? I'm doing good. How are you?
Good. Thank you. Yeah, she's good, man. I saw her last night. Like, I picked her up while I was in bed, and she just looked like she was really fat. And I'm like, all right, that's good news since she's eating a lot. Yeah, chunky.
You want him to be
I was
fat,
like,
right?
that's so adorable. Yeah, no, 100%. I mean, she's eating well all the time. She's really looking for that
Is she breastfeeding
titty.
or are you buying her formula?
Only breastfeeding. I don't vaccinate and I only breastfeed. Yeah, don't do any of that extra stuff. So yeah, we're gonna breastfeed until she wants to eat solid food. Otherwise, not stopping at a specific age or anything like that. So could be till 1.5, 2, whatever it is. But yeah, she's doing good. So I was just looking here. So you're looking for this to break up, or you're looking for this to come back down to then push back up and then break above the high 30-31 for possible buys? I just needed to understand what the mindset
Hold on.
of that was.
I don't see the chart in front of me. Let me go back and look at it. I'm outside.
Oh shit, you're outside. My bad. Yeah, I wasn't looking on at where you were. I'm on Zoom.
Hey, you want to stay by the pool with him? All right, I'm going inside. Wow. I want to see either closure up here. Probably past this area. Just want to see how the higher time frame worked here and what we're mirroring.
A closure for 9:30 or any type of closure at some point.
I don't mind even if it's a 5, as long as it's going to drive off a support to come up. So
You expect it to come back down first?
No, but
or
it came back
has it
down.
already
This
hit the
candle's-
support?
This candle
Okay.
just pushed down. We've
Okay.
tapped resistance and we've come down here.
Right.
Right? And
Yeah,
hold
on the last
let's-
15, that's
let's
when we
look
came
at
down.
this. So it would drive up, which is what we just had. Tap this area. This one pushed down to here, which we also just had right there on that bottom wick. And price decided to come up, tap this area, which we also had. We pulled back down to here, which is what we're doing, or what we just had. After this area, we had a drive up to there. So let's see if we could do that. Actually, after that area, we had to drive up to here. So if we can close back up above here, I'll look to finish out the range to here. Yeah, I'm listening, baby. I'm right here. What's up? How can I help you? China? Okay, I got you. This is what we'll look for to finish out the wick. So yeah, let's get some closures above, or I don't mind seeing a range 2 breakout, right? If this is range 1 and this is range 2, range 2 breakout would be closure below range 2, and that would look like this. And if we can get that, I'll trade this down for any closure below this area. If we look on the 5, I think every time we close below there, we tend to come down. All right, let's closed, fill the range, respected, closed, fill the range, right? It just does that.
All right, thank you.
Closed, fill the range. So yeah, that's the areas I want to look for closure. What was that? Benny's licking his butt? Yeah, I know. What else is new? Hey! Hey! What are you doing?
He's getting ready for your hug. He's got to get his
Yeah,
stuff
you getting ready
together.
for that hug. I know. He's like, oh, you getting it now, Wicks? You getting it? Benny, you come in for that hug. It's pop. It's gonna be Benishvili 2.0 time. Wicks. You don't call me Wicks. You call me Dad or Papa, all right? She said, "Hey, Wicks." You could call me Wicks. Yes, you can call me Wicks. What do you tell girls about? Nothing. I don't tell them anything about it.
Why is that panda over there?
Why is that panda over there? This is John. said, why is that panda over there? Yo, you giggle too much.
No, I don't.
All right.
2025. 2025.
Where?
Over here.
Yeah. You wearing a Halloween shirt? Oh, that's Minnie. Okay. How did the Titanic end? The women laugh. The men be tight as hell about it. They be like, she could have moved. She could have moved over. Can I work? Can I work now? You want to sit right here, right behind me? Because, like, I gotta... Alright, let me go get your food. Alright, go ahead. Step, careful so it doesn't ride over your foot. Careful. Alright. Get in the car. Let's go. No, I'm dropping you off somewhere. You're going to school.
No,
Come on.
I'm not just going to school.
Alright, let's go. Okay, I got you. Jeez. This is hot and spicy. You want this?
Yeah.
You sure? Your poop's gonna be green.
No.
Yeah.
No.
If you eat this, it will be. Bring him to me. Bring him to me. Get over here.
Get over here. You're gonna do the same thing.
Yeah, just don't touch it right now.
I'm getting
Is it there? There's... Hey. You sure you want spicy? Okay. Huh? Alright, then I'll split these for you. Hi, you both want this? All three of you want this? Huh?
I need to wash my.
Wait, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
I want to wash your domain.
Leave it alone. Benny's gonna come after you right now. Huh? I don't know, but I got you guys gotta wait. Yo, why are you grabbing chopsticks? You're not eating breakfast with chopsticks. Go. 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 Let it cook. Leave it alone. Oh, I didn't have you guys on mute. Sorry. Oh, it's the fam in the kitchen. New to trade futures now, practicing on a demo account at 150K. I struggle with my risk. Anyone has any good tips for managing risk? I want to risk max 0.5. I would say do the demo with the amount that you would realistically deposit. Because you want to know what your margins and what your leverage is and how it'll work with the amount of money. You don't just want to like, if you're learning to trade, okay, you can have a bigger account just for the sake of learning, like the positions and everything. But you really want to test out your strategy with the same amount of funds that you would trade a live account. Pushing up here. NYC open here. Pushed it straight up. Love you too. Benny, do me a favor, move, bro. I can't pull up to the computer. Come on. Bro. No, don't put. When I tell him, you don't get in the way, okay? He's gotta know, he's gotta listen to one person. Stop. He's eating the chair. Don't worry, he's not gonna make you go. Nice push. Let him be. Let him be. Don't mess with him. No, don't stress if you're just watching this fly. There's no impulse entries here. There's nothing. You want to pull back. Ideally, you want to break above everything. Ooh, tapped our level on the dot. Ideally, we want to break above everything, but we don't have to, right? As long as we leave a nice range on the hourly and the 4 hour. Let's look at our 4 hour candle. Right. It's no longer a candle that we don't have to worry about the previous 4 hour not having a top wick. We have to worry about this one now in 20 minutes. So as long as we get a top wick, whether we close above here or below, as long as we don't close right at a level, right at it, right at a yellow line. As long as we close with a top wick, and as long as the next candle opens up with a bottom wick, we will have a position. How much is the probability that this move up is a fake out? That doesn't matter to us. Fake out or not, you can still get yours. Zoom door? Gotcha. You didn't change the chat for sub-only mode? Yeah, I did. It's sub-only. I didn't even, you know what I did? I didn't even change it. I just set it up last night to be sub-only mode. If you're here, if you want to chat, be a sub. Let me check. Did your sub increase? Yeah, you know what? Yo, we're close to 26.8, chat. I think we're like 20 away. If we get like 20 subs, we'll be at 26.8 as we're breaking up here. Waiting on a closure here. Impulse buys here not valid. I know, I really want to close. I want to see this candle close. It's not that they're not valid. Valid is just a matter of perspective. It's really more preference. Got no bottom. 5 over there had no top wick. I thought this 5 would come back, but it just blew right past it. So Let him be, let him be. You want to take him outside to the pool? You can do that. If you want, just walk normally, please. So you would expect, right, a REIT, typically somewhere here we'd have entries for a retest of the highs. But I'm waiting on a closure here. It's also going to be a 4-hour closure. It's going to be interesting. As we get closer, we'll map out our buys. Wow. So our last position, which was a sell for 31 pips, was a perfect friggin' closure. Never came back down here. We closed 31 pips right here. On that. And 4 positions. On this and 4 positions. Perfect closure here. After that moment, it just went straight up. Came down once, one more time. Just to that same point. Yeah, to that same level. Five flip bearish here, closing as a leg candle. Hey, close the door, please, Sam. Thank you. Back from holes. What's holes? Yo, gang. So, another reminder. Waitlist for the inner circles open. Also, get the psychology reset, right? Get the 5-step guide that I put out. And if you're good at editing or doing content or clipping, I'm looking for clippers, so reach out. Exclamation point guide, and I'm also looking for clippers. So if you're a good clipper, go to the resource tab. If you want to make money clipping for us, or if you want to work with me, just go to the resource tab and become a clipper. It's 15 closure, looking like it should ride up here. I would expect it to. I just don't like the levels. See this? In places like that where you have a really heavy wick off a level and you get a closure there, like, you don't always need that top wick. That's why I'd rather get a higher time frame closure here, because it's not necessary for this to flip and drive up off this level. If it does, great, and we'll look for it on the 4-hour, on the hourly closure. That's also a 4-hour for us, so it's a 4, a 2, a 1, a 30, a 15. It'll be everything. Right now it's just the 15. It looks great, except for these levels. And if that's not lining up, I might have to wait here, because like I said, it could get to the flip and come right back down. How would you like me to? If you're not sure how to reach out, you can DM me on the Discord or in the Instagram, and my team will respond to you. There's the flippity. Looks good. I just don't want to do it at this level. Can you do both? I honestly, my goal and my focus is really the YouTube here. My focus is on growing this channel, this specific YouTube channel. I honestly don't care for Twitch or Kick. I can't tell my kids. My kids can't tell their friends that dad's a Twitcher or a Kicker. But a YouTuber, you know, it's not really for me. I just care about impressing my kids. I want to be cool in their eyes. So I want that. I want the YouTube plaque, and I'll be content. Need that TikTok and Instagram to bring in traffic? Not necessarily. Instagram, you know, like TikTok's its own universe. But that's in terms of social media and like just channels, right? Outside of that, my focus is solely on improving the quality of my life at a consistent pace. While bringing others up as well. All right, we're trying to provide value through our own trading at the end of the day. That's it. And it should speak for itself. It's been a quiet road. But I get it, right? I get it. The circle always gets smaller with every, you know, with every time you get to the next level, the next stage, circle always gets smaller. And you got to understand, right? Like, you know, God reduces your circle because he heard conversations you didn't. There's a reason some people don't make it here. Hold on a second, chat. Unless you go to prison, then your circle gets, oh, hey, yo. Wild. Yeah, I know we got the inner circle here at 10. So I think if we don't get anything on this 4-hour close, on this 1-hour closure, then we'll take it to the inner circle. Maybe we'll start around 10:15. Six minutes here for this 1-hour close. Hold on. Inner circle Zoom? No, inner circle is the mentorship. How did you guys do today? Overall. How's your trading, Jay?
Yeah, doing good. Up about 60, 65. Just waiting for other positions. Let's see this break.
How'd you do last night?
Caught 40. Wait, 40 or 35 pips or something like that.
With Eddie?
Yes.
Nice. How's that stream? Is it growing?
Yeah, it's growing step by step. Obviously, try to send people there. But he's obviously very focused on his trading, and he's still learning a few things here and there. But we're really helping each other out in the community. Yeah. And in the community, we're really helping each other out. We're sometimes in drawdown. We're helping each other look at this position. Some are in future, some are in spot, some are in seeing both. So we're really helping each other out.
I like it, yeah, because it's like
a profit.
It's like a community. Yeah, he runs it, but it's a community
Yeah.
session.
Oh yeah, no doubt. We're very close, 20, 25 people, and a lot of mods in there. So we're really getting in and helping each other out, and telling each other where we're getting in, if we're taking pineapples, what we're doing. So it's really very close, tight, knit group there, and it helps a lot. So we're like, oh yeah, I wouldn't take that position. This is what I'm seeing here, and they were like, oh okay, yeah, you're right. It's a little different than when you do it, obviously, because you've got way more people watching, but that's the idea, and so it works out well. I take more positions than he does, but yeah.
I take more positions than I do too, though.
Yeah, sometimes I do. I just took some buys right now, and I just closed. I took it on even though they already closed, I took it off the bottom wick off the 5 here. So that was nice. I grab positions here and there, but there's a lot of volume, so I can't say no to 20 pips, 15 pips. I'm a little riskier than you are, and you take more positions that make more sense, and that's how you grew the account. So that's why I want to do that as well as what I'm doing. So
2 minutes. $90 actually, but who's counting? We close right at the level. It's going to be a little bit of waiting here. It's going to get tougher. Got 1 minute to go. We've tried 1, 2, 3, 4 times here to break and close above. Not been able to do so just yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiple candles into this area and they keep coming back below. Okay, pull back. It's a bit tough. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade this bottom wick here. I'm gonna wait for this to come up. 10 pip bottom wick. No, I'm gonna wait for this to come up. On spot, we closed right at resistance. Yeah, you did. You closed right at it. I would wait on this to come up here as well. You're looking. Yeah, I think this level is still solid. Oh, you just. You want some closures above there. You're coming up right now, maybe you'll get some closures. Similar read. I mean, they're kind of both telling you the buys aren't ready, even though they're doing it in different ways. Gang, I think I'm gonna call it a session here. I think we're gonna take this into the signal channel, into the inner circle, see if we set up over there. Hey, we got 2 dubs today, 2 more dubs. All right, chat, drop a like. Over 50 pips caught on stream. So drop a like, sub to the channel, and before you dip, spam some motherfucking W's.
Oh wow, I just got those buys. Wow. Closed at 30.33.80. Damn, that was beautiful. Got in at 30.50. Just got 30 pips in one massive, massive bullish candle.
I
You
mean,
you were saying Wix was saying what he was thinking.
I mean,
And it was a it was a little more difficult for him to take it, but I took it. So chat, you got to take advantage. Listen to the analysis that Wix talks about. If he doesn't take a position, doesn't mean that you can't take one, but he gives you an idea of the analysis as to what he thinks can happen, and then from there make your own decision. But also, if you show up to the streams, you'll have an understanding as to what you will like and what you will take. So you got to keep doing that daily. Sub to the channel, drop a like, take advantage of the signals. You know, really good prices now before they go up. So take advantage and you know, keep showing up daily. You guys are going to get really good. And whoever wants to get in on the inner circle,
ooh,
by all means, go for it. Look at it push up more.
yeah.
Look at it push up more. Oh, let me take a look. Yeah, that was my level. That's 34.50. So it just hit my level. If there's a, I mean, the 5 just pushed up with a top wick first. If it comes back down, I may get in on another buy. We'll see. Let me concentrate. But show up, inner circle. The spots are open. Go register on Discord. And then let me go ahead and post that so you guys can have access to the Discord just in case.
Heart full of pain. W 23 months. Sick. Almost 2 years. I have returned. W. I'm gonna take a buy right here. Just took a buy. Looking for a refill of that range. Oh, this is off. It's up here. Either now or in the next candle, but I'm looking for a refill of that range. Impulse buys, yeah, off support here to the left. Okay, 5's just closed here. So 5 closed bullish with a top wick. 15's closing in 4 minutes. Take another buy right there. Just took another buy. The expectation is to fill the rest of the range up, and we haven't really rejected off anything yet. Next support right here, taking a buy. If you guys don't see the levels, right there, those wicks. Right there, and right there. It's 2 minutes here. The 15 needs to close bullish. One minute here. Need the 15 to close bullish. $40. Don't like that it's holding resistance here, but it's okay because we have range to the upside. Let's see. Let us see. Oh. We close right at it. Close right at resistance. Understand that there's a level here. So we need either a gladiator candle or a bottom wicks. Break up this area. This is the key area, right where we're at right now. All right, closing full right there. I just closed full at BE, and I'm gonna wait for this to close above. The market gave me a chance to get out. I'm gonna wait for this to close above. Right, we said we needed either a bottom wick first or a gladiator candle. A gladiator candle, which is a closure above. But I think we're going to take it here on stream because I think this 30 is going to set up for us. If it doesn't flip bearish or close below here, I think it'll set up for us. Sorry, Inner Circle, but there's just, by the time I redo everything, I don't want to miss the positions here. So, I discuss. Any advice? I'm stuck here? Well, you technically can't close yet. If you're stuck. For me, it's just, I realize we're making a top wick here. Right? Market gives you a chance to get out, you take it. How's it like -3 pips here? I'll take it. We said you need either a gladiator candle or a bottom wick first. We got a top wick first, so you need a gladiator candle to be validated, right? Which means you need to close bullish. So if it's giving you a chance to get out, you get out, and then you wait for it to close bullish. It doesn't matter what, like, how much up or down you are here, right? Once you get there, you get that top wick, you close, because, right, this closure wasn't above the range, and you opened up with a top wick, right? So any flip would drive you back heavy below resistance. I don't look at like profits until I actually close it. Yeah, when you're up here, I'm expecting the fill of the range. But at this point, once you get that closure, once the 15 respects here, that's not the position you plan for, right? So the market gives you a chance to get out. I talk about this all the time. Got to do it. Especially when it opened up with a top wick first. Map pineapples? Well, look across the board where the market rejects, comes back up. Just because it's going to flip here doesn't mean you're bearish, right? You haven't had your range 2 breakout would be a closure below 30.31. But as you're tapping these wicks, 1, 2, let's map them out, right? Higher time frame. Right? Those are your pineapples until you close below down here. Right? Because you're still bullish. You're ahead probability wise. It just doesn't mean that you're 90-10 ahead at this point. Wix knows how to manage his losses. This wasn't a loss for me. I closed at break even. I got -3 and I got a adjustment synchronization for 5 pips. It's all right. All I hear is crickets. Wait for the 30. We might have another position here, and if we don't, then we'll take it to the inner circle and the signal channel. It was -20 pips on spot when you closed, but you got to look at spot because sometimes spot is a little faster or a little slower, right? I think lately futures has been kind of following spot price, so spot breaks all-time highs 5 minutes later, futures does it. So it's not about the timing. A price isn't going to be at the same spot at the same time, right? It might be trailing each other a bit, so you got to go based on your levels. Whatever the levels are on spot, whatever that resistance up here for that top wick was, you got to go on your level, right? Wherever you have it. You might have tapped this level like 3 minutes before, or like a minute before we tapped it, right? It would have done the same thing maybe a minute earlier. Maybe it did it like 30 seconds later, right? It doesn't do everything at the same time. They're different pairs, but it might have done it at a separate time. No, man, I closed B. These people are greedy. Yeah, it's all about the levels there. But it's not to say that you're behind. You're just the probability of your position going up drops after that closure. So once we respect that, I'm in market gives me a chance to get out, I get out mode, right? I'm not looking to make profits there. I'm looking to not get burned. Doesn't matter what it is here. 5 pips, 10, 15. Whenever you get a chance to get out, you get out. Because over here, it's a lot more than your 5, 10, 15 break even. 15 close right there at resistance. Yes, that's why I didn't exit there, but that's why I started looking for exits. This is your first indication, right, that your trade is less likely to work out than the one you planned for. Now, if you're stuck in it, you still have to be logical, right? You can't close till your range 2 breakout. The 30 so far is a leg candle, even if it flips bearish and doesn't drive. So highly likely you make a bottom wick on the next 30 and retest some of these highs up here. Right? So you have to be patient. You can't panic because you're looking at numbers. Excuse me. This becomes irrelevant. This becomes irrelevant. And this is irrelevant now. So your pineapples are here, here, 30.35, 30.33, and 30.31.5. If it gets there. Is there a possible to go? No, yeah, it's just less likely to go all the way up to the top of the wick. You're likely to, I think this is your level. Two levels, 1 and 2. I would be looking for this level to get tapped, 30.36 before managing. But at that point, you would have to have pineapples here and pineapples here. 6 minutes. 6 minutes is a lot of time. You could get a range 2 breakout right now in the next 6 minutes, and then your trade's negated, period. You know what I mean? Spot. Let's look on spot. Yeah, same thing. 15 came up and ended up closing back in range, respecting. So the probability of your trade that's up here is going down, and yeah, your range 2 breakouts would be ranges are a bit different here. We got 30.23 right now for range 2 breakout. Still respected here. Yeah, you should have pineapple, pineapple, pineapple right where you are if you're still in positions on spot, but we read that well.
When are we gonna swim in the pool?
When are we gonna swim in the pool? When it gets warmer. It's brick outside.
No. How many days?
How many days? Probably next few weeks it'll start to get warm, and then we'll go swim in the pool. Look, it's about to rain.
I know.
So you should have pineapple right here, pineapple here, and there's another pineapple up there. Now you wait. No, you wait. Like I said 30 closing bullish. Any type of bullish or weak bearish, you're still ahead for a bullish move. Just gotta have the pineapples in the right place. Are you long? No, I got the perfect closure. God, that sounds so terrible. But no, I got out and it dropped. Perfect exit. Yeah. Told you. I plan for the worst case scenario every time. Just don't shine it in my eyes and we good. Let's go to my eye. Stop it. Want to spam dubs? Well, 2 dubs and a break even today. Still dubs. Hold on, let's add that to the record. Wait, that was backwards. I'm so curious to see if this works out for you guys. Everyone that held, if you're able to get out with the pineapples. It's 30 closure. Like candle, maybe no bottom wick or respect of this area. This gives you a bottom wick first to here. Yeah, that's another pineapple right there, and then you're just now at this point you're waiting for a closure below the range or for it to come back up. All right, decision making time. You needed to have a pineapple over there, and I think you should be pulling up to around break even areas right now. No, you needed to have a pineapple here, 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 all three of these areas. 1, 2, 3. Buys for us. We had buys. Right now, I'm just trying to help people manage their positions. We closed the BE. All right, it's tapping resistance here, so I mean, you guys should be somewhere next to break even. I would be looking to start managing positions. Oh, and I say that and it rejects. I'm not trying to jinx it for you guys. I'm just telling you, like, the market runs this shit, not you. The market's the boss. Yeah, the pineapples are marked off with white lines. This was a pineapple as it was coming down. This was a pineapple. This was a pineapple. All three of these were pineapples. Where to be in cells below this area. You said there'd be another pineapple on this 30, so I add, yeah, I said if we come down for a bottom wick, you have to take that position, even though it looks like a range 2 breakout, because you have a really no bottom wick here. You have a leg candle. You're likely to make a top wick on this candle before you come back down, and that's what we just did. It's tapping resistance. Now at this point, I don't know if it's going to break through to this resistance, right? But I know that this is where I would have been managing risk, regardless of what the amount is. Why was that not a buy opportunity? Because it didn't. This isn't the 90-10 position. They're still ahead, right? But in terms, that's for them to manage risk and the logical pineapples. But I'm not looking for entry here. This isn't my position where I would enter typically. Yeah, really good stream in terms of if you're getting value out of risk management, and that's where most of the value is, real value. Like you guys value positions and no drawdown and straight to TP and sniper entries, but the real value is in risk management because that's what's going to be the difference between break even or profitable. Okay. Can go up more? Yeah, I'm just not going to play that game here. All right, yeah, let's call it a session here. I gotta take this to the inner circle. I gotta take my kids to, like my daughter, she cracked her Invisalign, the bottom one. I don't know how, but I gotta take her today at 12:30 to get it replaced. It's funny. Last week we got the top one. Today we're gonna go get the bottom ones. This shit's expensive. For no reason. It's just teeth. Who needs teeth? Anyway, yeah, let's call it a session, chat, and let's continue this in the inner circle. So if you're part of the inner circle, give me 5 minutes. I'll drop another link. Zoom gang, thank you guys for riding with me. I'll see you, Kenny. That's what I want to be doing. Panda. My daughter likes the panda. I'll see you guys in the clubhouse side of things. Mods, thank you for helping me run the stream as always. Signal channel, stay locked in probably through noon. Yeah, we're going to be trading until noon here. So if we set up, you'll see us take a position and it'll be in the signal channel, even if we take it with the inner circle. Okay, chat, love and wisdom to you all. Shout out to everybody that showed up today and caught dubs with us. Congrats if you were able to manage risk, if you married that trade. I'm calling it here. So as for me, chat, you guys already know the deal. My time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books.